Hi class, welcome to EDU 222, the remote version. I want to go over the very first module just as this learning format is a little bit different and really clarify any expectations so you don't have any questions going through. We'll start out in the modules tab, and the first module is autism. For our class, it's due Monday, April 6th. First content page is where you're going to start. The left here are the Google slide presentations that I would typically give in class. I've narrated over the top of them, so you're simply going to click play and listen to the slide presentation. If you'd like, also click on Autism Spectrum Disorder Learning Guide. You'll be prompted to make a copy, so you click there, and what you'll have is a copy of that learning guide. There are key pieces of information that you can fill in as you watch the slide presentation. They're highlighted in red, and on the slides they're also highlighted in red, so there should be no confusion. This handout is 2 pages long, and you will use it to follow along with the 2 slide presentations. When you complete this, you'll have everything you need to get a really good grade on the quiz and complete the discussion board post. Let's go back. After you do the first slide presentation, this is kind of like lecture part 1. It's less than 15 minutes. You'll watch this Carly Fleischman video. This is absolutely amazing. It was done in 2010, and Carly is diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, and she is completely nonverbal. She will surprise you, and I can't wait for you to watch it. Next, you'll do part 2 of the lecture, again under 15 minutes, where I'll go over some of the language characteristics and behavior characteristics and the sensory system. Again, you'll use the same learning guide for this piece, and then watch Carlys Cafe. Go to next, and the next item up is Many Faces of Autism. This is where you're going to navigate to the Autism Certification Center, follow the guidelines, and you'll set up an account. You'll walk through an hour-and-a-half long training on autism. You'll learn some great characteristics of autism and then some simple strategies for working with students with autism. When you're done, there'll be a little quiz within there, and you get multiple attempts to complete it. Once you earn an 80%, you will get the certificate, and you will upload it here as an assignment, earn 30 points. Then there's the Autism Quiz. When you take this quiz, you'll have 120 minutes or 2 hours to take it. There's 25 points. It is a graded quiz. You can use your notes. You can use that resource guide that you used as you were using the slides, and your book. Use all the resources you need. Just do it independently. When we preview, I'll show you that I also embedded the slides here. This is without the screencast so that you can just navigate through them as you'd like. You can navigate through this way, or you can pick the slide drop down and pick slide number 7 or 6. And then you'll just go through the questions. I've stated specifically if the content comes from the Google Slides. So the first question is, the Center for Disease Control, or CDC, estimates autism spectrum disorder prevalence rates of 1 in how many in 2018? Before I even look at the content, what would you guess? The answer might surprise you. I'm not going to scroll all the way down to the bottom because I will be going all the way through the quiz, so I'll just quickly go back through the modules. And again, for review, this is the content page, the Many Faces of Autism, the quiz, and we'll round out with the discussion board. In the discussion board, you've got a TEDx video, why everything you know about autism is wrong. You'll watch the video, and then you'll write a post. The first post, in that I want you to include a well-developed paragraph. So it's just one paragraph, so you're going to have to be really articulate and specific. But I want you to include 4 important ideas or specific facts that you learned about autism after navigating through this whole module. I want at least 1 fact to come from the Many Faces of Autism, at least 1 fact to come from the autism slides and the Carly videos, and at least 1 fact to come from this TEDx video, why everything you learned about autism is wrong. That 4th and final fact can come from any one of these places, but I'd like at least 1 from each. So you'll do that initial post, and then you'll respond to 2 classmates. For this assignment, I've got a real detailed rubric that if you go in the dots up here, you can click in, show rubric, You can see how you'll earn those points. The total assignment is broken down here, so you can see on the initial post, you can earn up to 9 points, and then I'll look at spelling and grammar for a point. Your first response to a classmate, and you can respond to any classmates, is for 4 points, and then spelling and grammar, and then your second response is for 4 points in spelling and grammar. Okay, that's it for the autism module. I hope you have as much fun going through it as I had creating it. This is due again Monday, April 6th. So that is coming up pretty quickly. Could you possibly do all this in one day? Yes, but why don't you go ahead and get started now and just do one item a day. Again, I hope you enjoy it as much as I did creating it.